How to fix iPhone volume buttons not working. Step 1. Inspect and clean the buttons. Check for dust or debris around the buttons. Use a soft brush or compressed air to clean around the button areas. Step 2. Adjust your settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Navigate to Sounds and Haptics. Make sure the Change with Buttons option is turned on to allow the volume buttons to control the sound settings. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. If the buttons are still not responsive, try restarting your iPhone. Since the usual restart method might not work if the buttons are unresponsive, go to Settings. Tap on General. Scroll down, tap on Shutdown. Slide to Power Off, then turn your iPhone back on by pressing the power button. Step 4. Reset all settings. Go to Settings. Tap on General. Scroll down, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then click on Reset. Select Reset All Settings. It will reset all settings including button settings, but doesn't erase personal data. Step 5. Update iOS. Ensure your iPhone's software is up to date. Go to Settings. In this, click on General. Then select Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Step 6. Enable Assistive Touch. If the volume buttons are still not working and you suspect a hardware issue, enable Assistive Touch as a temporary workaround. Go to Settings. Look for Accessibility. In this, click on Touch. Then tap on Assistive Touch and turn it on. Customize the on-screen menu to include volume controls, allowing you to adjust volume without the physical buttons. Now tap the Assistive Touch to increase or decrease the volume.